Hello everyone, this is AJ out and about again, Blu-ray hunting. Yeah, so today I'm going to look in several Poundlands, possibly 3, CEX, and we'll see wherever else today takes me, we'll find it. So come and join me, and yeah. So there's the comic shop. The back end of it, the entrance is on the other side. We'll walk up this road. See what we can't find. Okay, so my first port of call is going to be this Poundland here, and I do remember 007. Yes, I know what I'm looking for. Let's have a look and see if I've got anything. Nothing. Have a look in the toy barn house. Quick look in the entertainer. See what they don't have or do have. Carbots, Transformers, Ultra Magnus, those shark chickens. They are. Okay, now I'm going to go into the second of the Poundlands, take a look what they've got.
The flying elephant. That's not bad.
I scare you, sorry. No.
So no lighting through here. Nice. So yeah, so that was the second Poundland. Now I'm going to head into a CEX, then another Poundland after that, and take a look. That Poundland had a lot. Loads of stuff. Did pick up one item. I've picked up 2 items actually, which I'll have a look at when I get back home. So CEX time now. We'll go in, we'll see what there is. Okay, so I did actually pick a few bits up in that there CEX. Yeah, take a look when we get back home. So now we're approaching the third Poundland store. As you can see, take a look in there, see if they have anything. Nout in here. Heading across the road now. Have a look over there, see if I can get some filming done this week.
I've got from XL to something or other town. So 3 stops from there. For the DL.
Okay, so I'm still out on my travels, and just out of the blue I've decided to drive down to Red Hill, which is in Surrey, I believe, bordering Kent. Yeah, Red Hill, Surrey. There's a CEX down here. I'm going to go and check it out. It's not actually one I've ever been in, I don't believe, or maybe once, I can't recall. But yeah, let's go check out what they've got, and yeah. I believe the CEX is right down the end of the high street. But then also I want to go to Wilco's because I want to get some peanuts for the parrots. We went to a garden centre, purchased a new bird feeding stand so I can tidy up what I've got in the garden a bit. And yes, I have just seen a Poundland over here behind all these stalls. We shall go and have a look. See if they've got anything. There it is, down there. Oh, look if they've got anything in. So here we are at their DVD and Blu-ray section. And that's it, all sorted. So here we are at Red Hill CEX. take a little look inside, see what they've got. So yeah, so I've just parked up at Biggin Hill. So I've just parked up at Biggin Hill, and because I want to go and have a look at these. Let me turn the camera around. So here we have I'm just trying to cross the road, a Supermarine Spitfire. Fantastic. Brilliant. And if we cross along a bit, then I come to St George's Royal Air Force Chapel of Remembrance, Biggin Hill, morning service 9 AM. And then here we have a Hawker Hurricane. You can tell the difference in the two planes by the cockpit is a sign. You can see the Spitfire's got more of a bubble than what the Hawker Hurricane has, and there's slight difference in the wing shape as well. Brilliant stuff, fantastic. So yeah, love it. So yeah, I just thought I would drive up this way on the way home just to have a look at these planes. I always drive past them all the time, and I love World War II planes, but I've never actually stopped and taken a look. I've always been on the move as I've looked coming past. There's the Spitfire behind me there, and the Hurricane's back there. So yeah, brilliant stuff. But let's get back home and I'll have a look at what I picked up. Hi everyone, so I'm back from that day out. It's been a long day. So first of all, I went over to Croydon and Purley Way, where I went into IKEA, mooched around IKEA with the missus. Then we went into the range. I got a couple of bits for Christmas in the range. Then I went off to Croydon itself. That was where I went into the Poundlands and that CEX, the first CEX, Forbidden Planet, and my comic shop. I did pick up a few comics because usually I have been last week, so there wasn't a lot to pick up. But I'll do that in a separate video because that's no one's interested here. Then after Croydon, I went to a garden centre in Wallington because I needed some bits for the parakeets that I feed. From there I went down to Red Hill. That's where I went into the second CEX. So I did pick up a few bits actually. So let's have a look. So first off, the £2 lands in Croydon. So in one of them I managed to pick up Season of the Witch, Nicolas Cage. I've not seen this, and I enjoy Nicolas Cage films, even though he makes a lot of crap now. I did like Nicolas Cage back in the day, 20 years ago. I don't mind him as an actor. I find him an enjoyable actor to watch. So, yeah, picked up that first and, I was going to say foremost, but not foremost. So then in another one, apologies for the coughing, in another one I picked up Disney Pixar Brave. Yeah, the 3D version. Not that it means anything to me, I can't play 3D. This isn't a film that I've got. Obviously, I bought it. So £2 for that as well. Then came CEX. Yeah, so I picked up a few bits in CEX. So first off, my missus did buy a couple as well, which I'll show you. So she bought season 1 of The Crown for £3. Yeah, discus come loose in there in my journeys. And season 2 of The Crown with slipcase, which was £8. Yeah, she likes The Crown and Victoria and all that. Yeah, that's that. So me myself in there, I picked up for 50p Unknown, Liam Neeson. I'll be honest, I'm not sure if I've got this or not. It may have been something that I have previously picked up in Poundland, so this may be a double. But for 50p, yeah, I wasn't going to, yeah, I'm willing to take that risk, do you know what I'm saying? Then I picked up this for £10. Now, the case is battered, the slip case. It's not in good condition at all. But, yeah, the 5 Superman animated. I'm going to get rid of the slip case. This is too bad a condition, but that doesn't bother me. So 5 Superman films, animated Superman films. Superman Unbound, Superman Doomsday, Superman versus the Elite, Superman Batman Apocalypse, and Superman Batman Public Enemies on there. 5 films for £10. The only one that I've actually got on Blu-ray is Superman Doomsday. I haven't got the other ones. I've got a couple of them on DVD. So I have been looking at this for a while. It's just never been at... I mean, you know, it's always about £17 and I never picked it up. But for a tenner, for 5 films or 4 films, that's £2.50 a film. Yeah, so brilliant. They did actually have Superman Unbound on its own for £2.50. That was what I initially picked up, and then I saw this. Obviously, it makes sense, doesn't it, to grab that? So I grabbed that. Then I went down into Forbidden Planet. Yep. And I picked up this. Now, I did have this pre-ordered on Zavvi. It's not DVD. It's a figure from Marvel Legends. And it is Agent Carter from Marvel's What If. Yeah, I've had a few of the figures for this pre-ordered, namely Agent Carter, Zombie Captain America, and Dark Doctor Strange, or whatever you want to call him. Evil, he ain't evil. Misunderstood Doctor Strange. Yeah, so, yeah, Agent Peggy Carter, Marvel Legends figure. Yeah, so I will cancel the pre-order with Zavvi because they've got it listed for next year for some crazy, obscure reason. So, yeah, so very pleased to see that in there and find it. Obviously, that arm there, if you were to get all figures coming, you would end up building Watu, the Watcher. But I don't want to get them all. They did have him in there, Star-Lord, you know. But I just want Zombie Captain America, Peggy Carter, and Evil Doctor Strange. Misunderstood Doctor Strange. That Spider-Man is Spider-Man with the cloak. where he's got Doctor Strange's cloak. But yeah, so there's all of them. A bit odd that they did have her as well, but she ain't from What If? She's from Loki. So that's a bit odd that she's a part of this with part of that. But there you go. Yeah, Peggy Carter. And like I said, I did get comics as well. But yeah, and then obviously I went to Biggin Hill Airport. I drove past there on the way home from Red Hill. I took a slight detour to go and see the Spitfire and the Hurricane that I've never actually got out and looked at. I always drive past it, and I love Spitfire. I love the Hurricane as planes. Fantastic World War II, one of my favourite historical eras. Brilliant seeing them up close. Loved it. Obviously, they're models, life-size replica type things of the real planes. But yeah, fantastic. Anyway, this is AJ. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care all, and goodbye.